In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 air fryers of 2024. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or just curious about the best air fryers on the market, then you're in the right place. We'll be reviewing some fantastic models that are perfect for small kitchens, but pack a punch when it comes to performance. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. This model is a favorite for a reason. It features a clear cook window and odor erase technology, letting you keep an eye on your food and reducing cooking smells. This air fryer is versatile, allowing you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. We found that it consistently produced crispy fries and juicy chicken wings, making it a reliable choice for any meal. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex Plus is its user-friendly design. The digital touchscreen is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to select your cooking function and adjust time and temperature settings with a simple tap. The clear cook window is a game changer as it lets you monitor your food without opening the basket, ensuring that the cooking process isn't interrupted. In terms of performance, the Instant Vortex Plus excels in delivering evenly cooked and crispy results. The powerful air circulation system ensures that hot air is distributed evenly, which is crucial for achieving that perfect golden brown finish on your fries and chicken wings. We also loved its ability to handle a variety of foods, from delicate fish fillets to hearty roasted vegetables. However, the Instant Vortex Plus does have a few minor drawbacks. It can be somewhat slow to preheat, which might be a slight inconvenience if you are in a hurry. Additionally, it lacks some smart functions like Wi-Fi connectivity, which means that you won't be able to control it remotely or receive notifications on your phone. But considering its performance and versatility, these are small trade-offs. So to sum it up, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer is a fantastic all-around option that offers great value for its price. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned air fryer user, this model is sure to impress with its consistent results and ease of use. Next, we have the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. This compact model is perfect for small kitchens and solo cooks. Despite its size, it outperformed many larger and more expensive competitors in our tests. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer is easy to use with simple controls and settings for air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. It's also very quiet, making it a great addition to any busy kitchen. The Nonstick basket makes cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient air fryer that doesn't take up much space, then the Ninja 4-quart is an excellent choice. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind. Its compact size makes it an ideal choice for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who doesn't want their countertop cluttered with more bulky appliances. Despite its smaller capacity, this air fryer delivers powerful performance, cooking food quickly and evenly. One of the best features of the Ninja 4-quart is its ease of use. The control panel is straightforward, with dedicated buttons for each cooking function. You won't need to scroll through multiple settings or complicated menus. Simply select the desired function, set the time and temperature, and you're good to go. This makes it a great option for those new to air frying or those who prefer a no-fuss approach to cooking. In our tests, the Ninja 4-quart air fryer consistently produced excellent results. It excelled at cooking a variety of different foods, including crispy fries, tender shrimp, and perfectly roasted vegetables. The air fryer's rapid air circulation technology ensures that the food is cooked evenly with a crispy exterior and a moist interior. So whether you're cooking for one or preparing a side dish for a family meal, this air fryer won't disappoint. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. The nonstick basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Additionally, the compact size of the air fryer means that it's easy to store when not in use, saving that valuable kitchen space. Now, while the Ninja 4-quart air fryer is perfect for small households, it might not be suitable for larger families or those who frequently cook for a crowd. However, if you're looking for a compact, efficient, and reliable air fryer that delivers great results, then the Ninja 4-quart is an excellent choice. Now let's talk about the COSORI Pro LE 5-quart air fryer. This model is known for its user-friendly design and efficient performance. The COSORI Pro LE has a sleek and compact design, making it a great fit for any kitchen. It features a digital touchscreen with precise temperature settings and a cool touch basket handle for safety. This air fryer also has a customizable shake reminder to ensure even cooking. Now, during our tests, it excelled excelled in cooking Brussels sprouts, fries, and chicken wings, although it took a bit longer than some of the other models. If you're new to air frying or looking for a mid-sized option, then the COSORI Pro LE is a fantastic choice. The COSORI Pro LE 5-quart air fryer stands out for its thoughtful design and ease of use. The digital touchscreen is one of the best we've seen, with clear, easy-to-read icons and responsive touch controls. This makes it simple to adjust settings and monitor the cooking process. The Cool Touch basket handle is a nice safety feature, especially if you have kids helping out in the kitchen. One of the highlights of the COSORI Pro LE is its customizable shake reminder. This feature alerts you when it's time to shake or turn your food, ensuring that even cooking and preventing overcooking. This is particularly helpful for those items like fries or chicken wings, which can benefit from a bit of agitation during the cooking process. In terms of performance, the COSORI Pro LE did an excellent job in our tests. It cooked Brussels sprouts to a perfect crisp, delivered golden and crispy fries, and produced juicy, flavorful chicken wings. While it took a bit longer to cook some items compared to other models, the results were worth the wait. The air fryer maintains consistent temperature and airflow, which is crucial for achieving even cooking results. Cleaning the COSORI Pro LE is also straightforward. The nonstick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, and the sleek design means there are no awkward corners or crevices to scrub. This makes it easy to keep the air fryer clean and ready for your next cooking adventure. The COSORI Pro LE 5-quart air fryer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, mid-sized air fryer offering great performance and user-friendly features. So, whether you're cooking for yourself or a small family, this air fryer is sure to meet your needs. Another great option is the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL 2-basket air fryer. This model is perfect for those who love multitasking in the kitchen. It features 2 separate compartments, allowing you to cook different dishes simultaneously. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate with this versatile appliance. The dual zone technology ensures that both compartments finish cooking at the same time, making meal prep more efficient than ever. While it lacks a preheat function and takes some getting used to, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL 2-basket air fryer is a fantastic choice for busy households. The Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL 2-basket air fryer is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook multiple dishes at once. The dual basket design allows you to prepare 2 different foods simultaneously without worrying about flavors mixing or cooking times differing. This feature is especially useful for families or those who like to entertain, as it significantly cuts down on cooking time. The air fryer offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, as it can handle a wide range of recipes and cooking methods. So whether you're air frying crispy chicken wings, broiling a juicy steak, or dehydrating fruit for a healthy snack, the Ninja Foodi has you covered. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 is its Smart Finish technology. This allows you to sync the cooking times of both baskets, ensuring that your dishes are ready to serve at the same time. You can also use the Match Cook function to apply the same settings to both baskets, which is great for larger batches of the same food. In our test, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL 2-basket air fryer delivered impressive results. The fries were crispy and evenly cooked. The chicken rings were juicy with a perfect golden brown exterior, and the roasted vegetables were tender and flavorful. The ability to cook different dishes simultaneously without compromising on quality is a huge plus. Cleaning the Ninja Foodi is also relatively easy thanks to the non-stick baskets and crisper plates. Both are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. However, the dual basket design means that there are more parts to clean compared to a single basket air fryer. But overall, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 XL 2-basket air fryer is a versatile and efficient appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. Its dual basket design and Smart Finish technology make it a great choice for busy households and anyone who loves to cook multiple dishes at once. Finally, we have the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This model is perfect for those who want a multifunctional appliance that can handle more than just air frying. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a combination toaster oven and air fryer, offering functions like toasting, broiling, baking, roasting, warming, and more. It features Element IQ heating elements that adjust their strength to ensure even cooking. This air fryer is perfect for large families or for those who entertain often, as it can fit a 13-inch pizza or a whole chicken. Although it's on the pricier side and takes up more space, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is worth the investment for its versatility and performance. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a powerhouse in the kitchen, combining the functions of a toaster oven and an air fryer into one versatile appliance. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to maximize their kitchen space and minimize the number of gadgets on their countertop. Now, one of the key features of the Breville Smart Oven is its Element IQ heating system. So this technology uses smart sensors to monitor the interior temperature and adjust the heating elements accordingly, ensuring even cooking and eliminating hot or cold spots. This results in perfectly cooked food every single time. So whether you're air frying, toasting, or baking, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer has you covered. It also boasts a large capacity, making it ideal for families or for those who like to cook in bulk. Like I said earlier, it can accommodate a 13-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or even a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This makes it perfect for preparing large meals or entertaining guests. In our tests, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer delivered outstanding results. The air-fried chicken wings were crispy and flavorful. The toasted bread was evenly browned, and the baked goods were cooked to perfection. The versatility of this appliance means that you can use it for a wide range of cooking tasks, from air frying and baking to broiling and roasting. Cleaning the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is also relatively straightforward, thanks to its non-stick interior and removable crumb tray. However, due to its larger size and multiple functions, it does require a bit more maintenance compared to smaller single-function air fryers. While the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is on the pricier side, its performance, versatility, and large capacity make it a worthwhile investment for those who want a multifunctional appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. So if you're looking for an air fryer that can do it all, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is an excellent choice. So there you have it, our top 5 air fryers of 2024. Whether you're looking for a compact model for a small kitchen or a versatile appliance for all your cooking needs, there's an air fryer for you on this list. If you want to pick up any of these air fryers, be sure to use the links down in the description. These are affiliate links and they do help support the channel. So if you do end up using those links, then we really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more videos of epic deals. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.